Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we just going to talk quickly about Firefox. Quite a few of you have been telling me that the version number has moved on Firefox from 91.0 to 91.0.2, and we're just wondering. So there's actually a quick succession of two versions. 91.0.1 was released, and as soon as that was released, a few days later, they announced 91.0.2. And what that has is the first 91.0.1 for Firefox actually had bug fixes and stability issues fixes. So if you had crashing, freezes, or all sorts of weird problems, they fixed that. But it also includes a two high severity security flaws that were fixed. So that means you have some security updates in there. The second one, 91.0.2, has to do mainly with some bug fixes, a couple of bug fixes left. So just go into the menu and to help and about Firefox to see what version you have. You need to be at 91.0.2. And like I said, the .1 fixed some problems, some stability issues, and had security updates, which are important. And the 0.2 is only bug fixes, so that one is not security. So if you are using Firefox, just update to the latest version. In my fixed issues, I had noticed a high number of people complaining of problems with the version 91 when it arrived. So I guess they fixed quite a lot of little things in those minor updates there. But the most important, if you were actually using Firefox and it was working right, is to make sure that you update at least for the security updates, because two high severity security flaws have been fixed in there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.